Hi guys, this is Arella. For today's video, we have our kwentuhan to check how smart Arella is. Here's my question. What are some of the most amazing things about nature? What is nature muna?
They are the one who surrounds us. That's the beauty of the earth.
Okay, example?
Trees, flowers, food,
Oh,
apples. But
in the trees, yeah, okay. But what else? Yeah, you're right. The trees,
animals,
animals. What else?
people,
What else? No, nature. Or you can see.
butterflies,
What else?
insects,
What else?
grass,
What else?
bird.
Mm, those are part of natures. But there are some. It's a place. Yeah, yan. Bigyan kita ng clue. It's a place.
Jesus.
It's a place.
What? Oh.
Mountains, ocean,
Sand.
forest, the beaches,
Waterfalls.
the waterfalls. Yeah, you forgot that. So what's amazing about them? For example, the ocean. For example,
Can you give me that tree?
the sea or
Can you
the
give me
ocean.
the tree markers there?
The sea or the ocean. Oh, what's amazing about them? Tell me one thing.
The fishes can live there. The fish can live
Look here. Look.
The fish can live there.
Wow, yes, you're right. The fish can live in the ocean or sea. And what about the fish?
They can have a better life.
Look here.
They can have a better life.
Aside from that, there's much more meaningful. There's more, ano ba ang hirap ng
Friends.
English? Ano yung mas pakinabang?
Mas makinabang.
Pakinabang. Ang hirap naman ng English nito. What are fishes for? Ano yung
Food.
See? So the people,
The fish.
look here,
Eat the fish.
can have a fish to eat.
Ew, that's not nature.
Nature. It's part of
You're gonna
nature.
eat the fish? That's a part of nature.
Yeah, that's part of nature. And you know what? God made those fishes for people have something to eat. Ganun yun. Okay, that's one thing good about nature. Can you what else? Aside from that, give me one more something good about amazing about nature.
They can have better food there for them to live.
Oh, what else? What else? Kunyari tapos na tayo sa ocean. Ano namang nature pang naiisip mo na there's something
Mountains.
amazing?
Mountains.
Okay, the mountains. So what's amazing about the
The
mountains?
view. Mountain Fuji. The snow.
Kasi yes, there, of course, maganda ang view kapag may mountains, pero there's something more important.
Oh, you can hike.
Ha?
You can climb up.
Oo nga, we can do the hiking because of the mountains. What else pa ba? Pero syempre,
Skiing!
yes.
Diba there's a zipline you can go up, go down, go up, go down.
Oo, para dun yun sa mga nag-i-snow na countries makakapag-ski, pero dito sa Pilipinas hindi natin magagawa sa mountains natin yon. Yes, and also sa pang maganda sa mountains, 'di ba, there are a lot of trees there, 'di ba, inside
Inside.
in the mountains,
Inside the bus.
Oh, not inside, in the mountains. There's a lot of trees in the mountains. And syempre, alam mo naman, napaka-importante nito, napakahalaga na ang mga trees, it controls the flood. Diba? Pag-aaralan mo din yan, time will come.
Kasi diba the trees are tall and the flood cannot reach the top?
Because kasi, di ba, pag umulan halimbawa ng malakas, tapos inaabsorb ng lupa yung trees,
What
yung mga roots sa trees, inaabsorb nun
What's
ang water.
What's absorb?
Nung sinisipsip or hinihigop yung hindi, di ba,
Ayaw nga, yung nainom niya yung tubig para lumaki yung mga bundok.
yung mga trees, di ba? Pag nagtanim ka ba ng plants, di ba? Nasa soil ang
Why
plants.
do I look
Di
like
ba
Julia?
you water the plants, o di ba? Nawawala yung tubig pag binuhusan mo ng tubig kasi ina-absorb ng soil yung water. So, what's good having a lot of trees, syempre, it controls the flood. Okay, science na tayo nito, science. Well, that's some of the amazing things na nagagawa ng nature sa buhay nating lahat. Pag-aaralan mo rin yan, Irela, medyo ako nakalimutan ko na yung iba. You will study that soon as you grow, okay? Okay, that's all for our kwentuhan. Thank you for watching. Bye, God bless.